one dance, baby. That one dance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indah Smart Putri, NPM 1988202020. I am from English Education, semester 5. I here will answer the questions. Number 1, what can people say about language? Language is a means of communication between humans, both individuals and groups, in the form of sounds that come from human mouths. Number 2, why does competence tend to be homogeneous? Namely, to provide thinking principles to students. The same principle of thinking is follows that are universally considered through which and correct the creations of a sense of togetherness. Number 3, how is language related to society? The form of the relationship between language and society is the relationship between certain forms of language called variations of variety or dialect and their use for certain functions in society, like the functions in communicating. Language is also so closely attached, uniting the soul of every speaker in society. Number 4, how do sociolinguistics consider Chomsky's theory of language? Chomsky based his theory on the assumptions that language is part of the human component and a distinctive product of human reasons, because the element that distinguishes humans from animals is intelligence and the ability to think. For Chomsky, grammar is a system of rules that connect sounds and meaning. Number 5, what can be studied under sociolinguistics? What can be learned from sociolinguistics is that sociolinguistics examines language in relation to its social structure and functions in society. On the other hand, the sociology of language studies society or social structure through the language it has. Number 6, what can be studied under the sociology of language? In the use, sociolinguistics provides knowledge on how to use language in society. Sociolinguistics provides knowledge about the various variations of language that exist in society. Number 7, what is the methodological concerns in sociolinguistics like? The linguistics method is a data collection accompanied by the method or technique in a linguistic study. Usually, this linguistics method is carried out by linguist researchers as a guide and comparisons based on existing data. Number 8, what is the methodological concept in sociolinguistics like? The linguistics method is the collection of data along with the method or technique in a linguistic study. Number 9, how can people get data in sociolinguistic studies? By means of the object studies can be resolved based off three steps, namely the preparation of data analysis, and presentation of the analysis. There is a principle that must be remembered of in the context linguistics result, namely that the external aspect of linguistics of very significant in explaining or being explained by language itself. And the last questions, what has interest in studies of language in society? There are 45 countries that are interested in language studies in society, one of which is Vietnam. The country makes Indonesia the second official language. Thank you.